Teachers confess killer took his own life behind bars. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The taxi operator charged with the abduction and murder of 29-year-old primary school teacher Daniel Anglin is suspected to have taken his own life in custody. Dead is Lascelles Morgan. Morgan reportedly succumbed to injuries on Monday while undergoing treatment at the Spanish Town Hospital. According to reports, Morgan had been remanded in custody after appearing in court on November the 7th. Following his return to his cell, he was found hanging from the ceiling. The police reportedly intervened and rushed him to the hospital where he was admitted. Despite medical intervention, he later passed away. Miss Anglin was reported missing on Monday, May the 13th, 2024. She was last seen on her way to work sometime after 5 a.m. on that day. Miss Anglin, who lived in Helsha St. Catherine, reportedly took an in-drive taxi service. The disappearance of the 29-year-old teacher resulted in a widespread search and calls for her safe return. 21 days later, the remains of her were discovered in Salt River, Clarendon. Morgan was arrested following his confession to the police. Investigators also revealed that Morgan had previously been arrested in 2015 for various sexual offenses. At that time, the former Deputy Commissioner of Police, Mr. Fitzwaley, provided an update in relation to the case.
Tuesday, May 14, 2024, about 5 p.m., Ms. Daniel Anglin, a 29-year-old teacher of a corporate era primary school and of a Helsha Park, Portmore, St. Catherine address, was reported missing to the St. Catherine South Police by her parents. Ms. Anglin reported left her house on Monday, May 13, 2024, about 5:50 a.m. en route to school and had not been seen or heard from since. An investigative team was assembled consisting of St. Catherine South Criminal Investigation Branch, led by the St. Catherine South Crime Officer and supported by the Communication Forensic and Cybercrime Division, CFCD, Scenes of Crime and Criminal Investigation Branch Headquarters, CIB Headquarters. As part of the investigations, the team visited her community and her school and conducted a number of interviews. The team also utilized available technologies and forensic capabilities which allowed for identification of a number of vehicles which were assessed and analyzed, and with skill application of their training, identify a vehicle of interest. The driver of the vehicle was subsequently identified and taken into custody following investigations. Again, with the use of technologies, we were able to identify a location in Salt River in Clarendon as the last identifiable location that Miss Anglin was in. As a direct result, a number of searches were done within sections of St. Catherine and Clarendon. On Monday, June 3rd, 2024, about 6:30 a.m., police made a discovery of human skeletal remains in a section of Salt River in the parish of Clarendon. It is still too early in our investigation to state definitively that it is Miss Anglin's body, and thus we await the findings of the forensic team. Given the weight of the evidence collected thus far, the suspect in the matter has since given a statement to the police admitting his involvement. I want to point out that this specific suspect was arrested and charged sometime about 2015 by the police for sexual offenses. He was also convicted in Antigua for sexual offenses and deported to Jamaica. We appeal to the public, if you have any information that can assist with this case and any other, please reach out to 119 or the nearest police station.
This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.